Imagine walking the same halls where Neil Armstrong trained, where the first words from the moon echoed back to Earth. That's Johnson Space Center in Houston. 60 years of history, courage, and the relentless pursuit of discovery. And right now, a new chapter is unfolding. 10 fresh astronaut candidates have arrived, chosen from over 8,000 hopefuls. Doctors, engineers, scientists, pilots, all of them dreaming of the stars. But only a handful get to wear the patch, to bear the responsibility, to chase the horizon beyond our world. The first lessons aren't about rockets or Mars. They're about teamwork. Because up there, you don't survive alone. It's about learning to trust, to act as one heartbeat, even when the pressure mounts and the silence is absolute. It's not glamorous, it's hard, psychological tests, mind-bending physical challenges, relentless assessments of composure. NASA isn't just searching for geniuses. They want people who stay calm when the world spins out of control, because in space, your greatest asset is your mind. Then the real work begins. The candidates dig into the soul of spacecraft, systems, orbital mechanics, and mission design. They memorize how to keep themselves alive. Oxygen systems, escape protocols, the choreography of docking in zero gravity. But it's not just theory. In the Neutral Buoyancy Lab, the largest pool on the planet, they climb into spacesuits, perfectly weighted to simulate weightlessness. Underwater, time slows. Every movement is deliberate. They practice EVA tasks for hours beneath the surface, learning how to thrive in the stillness of space, and then survival training. Not in space, but here on Earth. From desert heat to Arctic cold, dense forests to open water, these astronauts learn to build shelters, ration supplies, and look after each other. Because sometimes the hardest environment isn't up there, it's right here. These lessons teach gratitude, for warmth, for food, for the fragile safety we often forget. Next, the sky itself. NASA's T-38 jets are not about speed for thrill's sake. They're about focus. Every flight is a test of trust, lightning-quick thinking, and communication. At Mach speed, you learn that courage is just controlled breath and clear words. But what really matters, not just skill, but soul. In the Johnson Space Center's quiet chambers, candidates train for isolation, pressure, and the challenge of being human in a tin can, millions of miles from home. They learn empathy. They learn to lead, to communicate, to care. These astronauts aren't superhuman. They're ordinary people, tested to their limits, shaped by failure and persistence. And as they walk the historic halls, they're reminded, this isn't just about reaching the moon or Mars. It's about understanding our place in the universe and bringing humanity a little closer together. Soon, rockets will rise. The Artemis generation will take humanity back to the moon, and one day to Mars. And it all starts here, in Houston, at the Johnson Space Center, where dreamers become astronauts and astronauts become legends.